Welcome back. In this exercise tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Geneva wheel. I've just created a new sketch on the XY plane and I've taken a top view using the view cube. Let's activate the circle command. And we'll create another circle, 10 millimeter radius here. The last one will have a 15 millimeter radius. Next, I'll create a slot for the locking mechanism and the pin. This circle will be 20 millimeters in radius. Let's create a line here, 50 millimeters, at 150 degrees. Now I'll use the offset tool. The offset distance will be 3 millimeters, and again 3 millimeters in this direction. And let's click OK. Now activate the draw command. This line here will be 20 millimeters. Let's activate the circle tool again. We'll create a circle here with 3 millimeter radius. I'll use the center point rectangle tool to create a keyway slot now. I'll dimension it at 4 millimeters by 3 millimeters. For tab 3, press enter. Now let's trim our geometry with the Trim Entities tool. Just clean up some of these lines. And then we'll be ready to extrude. Let's take a home view, extrude command. We'll select the hub region, create a symmetric extrusion, 20 millimeters in depth, and accept. Let's bring sketch 1 back and create a second extrusion now. This one will be symmetrical also, 2 millimeters. Enter, and let's hide sketch 1. Now let's activate the circular pattern tool. First, I'll select the feature to pattern. These faces here. Just zoom in a bit so it's easier to select. And I'll rotate the model a little using the view cube. And back to home view. You may have noticed that, unlike my other exercise tutorials, in this tutorial I didn't create a cut extrusion in order to create a circular pattern. Inventor Fusion's actually smart enough to understand that that's what we want to do. All right, let's get going. Select the center. Select the circular face. The number of instances, 6. And let's click OK. And here is our Geneva wheel. And this concludes this Inventor Fusion exercise tutorial.